What's up? I'm Combat Craig. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite 100% PNT disabled veterans benefits, and that is no property taxes. That's right, it's that time of year. We're in the window. You have to get this done between January 1st and April 15th. It varies from state to state, but basically, here's how it goes. In my state anyway. I get up to $1,500 off my property taxes. I have to actually go to my county assessor's office and fill out the paperwork. I have to print out my 100% PNT form and then bring it into the county assessor. They process it, and then they tell my lender, USAA, hey, Craig doesn't have to pay property taxes this year. You have to do this every year. If you miss it, then you have to pay property taxes. All right, so this benefit varies from state to state. I'm just going to go through Idaho in case you're living in Idaho. If you qualify, the property taxes on your home and up to 1 acre of land may be reduced as much as $1,500. The program doesn't have an income limit. So if you're 100% permanent and total disabled veteran, it doesn't matter how much money you make. It doesn't have an income limit. You may qualify for veterans property tax reduction in 2022 if both of these apply. You are recognized as a 100% service-connected disabled veteran or receive 100% compensation due to individual unemployability by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs as of January 1st, 2022. So 2 things here. There's a date on it, January 1st, 2022. That's why they need the letter. They know the VA reduces people. They reduce people at 100%, 100% permanent total, 5-year rule, 10-year rule, 55-year rule. Sorry, VA, 20-year rule. You can't reduce this anymore. But that's why they make you fill it out every single year. Also, if you're TDIU, total disability based on individual unemployability, that means that you're like 80% or 70%, you apply for and win your TDIU claim, you get all the benefits that everybody else does. If you're 100% permanent total, you get all those benefits. If you're just 100%, you get those benefits. That's the TDIU thing. TDIU is huge, guys. It definitely applies to property taxes and a lot of other benefits if you're 100% disabled. All right, the next part here is you owned and lived in a home in Idaho that was your primary residence before April 15th, 2022. When I moved in here in 2020, it was in July, so I wasn't able to apply for this. I was able to do it in 2021 though. The property must have a current homeowner's exemption. I don't know how it works in all states, but I do have the homeowner's exemption. That actually brings it down from probably $1,800 or $1,900 down to $1,000. And then this veterans property tax reduction brings it down to 0 for me. The home can be a mobile home. So if you got the trailer trash thing going on, this one's for you. And it says how to apply. Apply at your county assessor's office. Regardless of what state you live in, you need to deal with your county's assessor's office. It doesn't matter what your state law is. I mean, it does, but you need to find out what's going on in your county and in your town because it actually changes from county to county in some cases, probably like in states like California where they're just all jacked up. And you have to fill it out and submit it between January 1st and April 18th of 2022. Good enough. That's on my list for this week, actually. This note is important, and I'm pretty sure this works in all states like this. This benefit isn't automatically renewed. You must apply and qualify each year because the VA reduces ratings. Let me jump in here real quick and tell you about my boot camp. If you want to learn more about the VA claims process, check out my boot camp. You can talk to me live. There's a link on the website. And in the description, combatcraig.com. And also, if you need medical evidence, like a nexus or documenting your symptoms properly, go to our website, combatcraig.com, and it says medteam/nexus letters. Click on that link, fill out the form, boom, you're done.